Hi guys, I thought today I'll come and talk to you all a little about a feeling that was there in me from the morning today. I wanted to talk to my viewers about it. There are many people that you will encounter, you will come across who believe that they have a lot of power and they have a lot of they consider that material possessions or the possessions that they have, power, position, status, and they think that they're very rich and that makes them very different and superior to others. Well, that's very stupid, let me tell you. Now, because material possessions and wealth and status, car, position, all of that is transitory. You cannot retain it all through your life, isn't it? And if you can retain it, well and good. आपका है आप ही का रहेगा चलो यार कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उसमें. But to consider yourself to be superior because you have a lot of those and to show off, I think is absolutely stupid. Okay, the real connections and the real, what would I say, position or happiness or contentment comes in life with the relations that you have, the little relations that a relation that you may encounter with a little kid while you are going to office in the metro. Like for example, today in the morning, you won't believe it, there's a small friend of mine in the metro, a girl who goes to school who's in nursery, and she's become a very good friend of mine because she waits for me to get into that metro, and she waits to talk to me. And this morning, without any occasion, it wasn't her birthday or anything, she happened to give me two perks chocolates that is still lying in my bag, and I'm going to have it. I'm going to make sure that I have it because with the love and the enthusiasm and with the excitement that she gave me, I thought it was really, really, really very precious to me. Remember, in life, you may not be getting everything that you want. Maybe something that you have anticipated from somebody very close in your family, somebody to show up, somebody to do this for you, somebody to do that for you. Well, these are the few things that you may miss out on life because you often do not get everything that you want in life, right? But with you will notice that despite that you will be getting some other things in life which will make it very, very, very special and very, very, very it'll give you a different feeling altogether. So these little connections, the little friendships, the little bonds, the connections that we make in a regular mundane life, that will give you a meaning, that will add a little spark in your life, and that will make it worthwhile. So do not crib, do not make yourself sad and feel that ये मुझे नहीं मिला, वो मुझे नहीं मिला, क्यों नहीं मिला, why is this happening to me. Rather, than focusing on such things, look at the brighter side of life and count your blessings. You just look around, आपके इर्द गिर्द सोचो कि what are the things that you have got instead that will surely make you feel good and worthwhile. So remember this, yeah? All the best. Bye bye.